The Ukrainian drone army has started working with several drones in each attack. This increases the chances of not only damaging but destroying each target, as the warhead often has limited capability against well-armored targets. As seen with these drones targeting a Russian tank, the first drone attack hits the weaker back top section over the engine, most likely penetrating into the tank, but could possibly be repaired if towed back. But as the second drone comes and strikes the top of the turret, which also has less armor, the outcome is much more likely a completely destroyed tank, making sure to reduce Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.